Alright, what up, what up? Alright, this is my bike, Haro. Call it 352, don't know what's up with the numbers.
Haro, if you know anything about the
Numbers.
352 right there, it's just 352. If you know anything about that, comment that below because we don't know it. On my Haro, it says 250.3, but I'm riding my red line right now.
Alright.
So,
yeah, I got a Haro seat, Haro pedals, Odyssey tires. Had this about 4 years now.
Odyssey tires. Where's your other one? Right there.
Tech Pro, is that what it's called?
Yeah, Tektro brakes.
Yep. Don't know what the rims are. What is it again?
Alex triple wall rims.
Oh yeah, triple wall.
Triple wall rims.
Yep. Yep. It's a pretty nice bike, you know.
How long have you had it?
4 years. I said that. Okay. Okay.
You want me to do mine now?
Yep.
Okay. We'll be back. Okay, I'm going to be doing the same thing, a bike check. Starting off, I got my ODI grips with some donuts that came from my dirt bike. Put on there, keeps it from getting blisters. Got a hollow point gooseneck. And some Alex double rims. Odyssey tires. Odyssey on the back tire too. Odyssey and redline seat. I got it from Spokes Bicycle Shop in Burleson. I have Haro pedals because I don't like redline pedals. And I got Tektro brakes also. And a green chain, a Black Ops sprocket. Green chain and a Black Ops sprocket. My bike's pretty dirty. And the brakes on it are extremely good. And we're going to do some clips for you. So, let's do some clips.
Yeah. Alright. Peace.
Okay, here's the clips.
This is how you buddy hop. Now for the J hop.
Do that one more time.
Alright.
Nice.
What else?
Now it's my turn.
Alright.
Bunny hop.
Alright, bunny hop.
Now my J hop. Now I'm Papa Willie.
Gonna do that one in the road?
No. Here's a Willie for you. And good brakes. And please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.